Understanding, to hawk and to spit, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that might sound a bit unusual at first: the meaning and usage of the phrases, to hawk, and to spit. These expressions are part of everyday English, and understanding them can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what these terms mean and how you can use them correctly. To hawk is a verb that describes the action of trying to clear mucus from the throat or nasal passages. This sound is often loud and somewhat harsh, and it's a natural bodily response when you're feeling congested or have a tickle in your throat. While it's a common action, it's important to know that doing this in public can be seen as impolite or inappropriate in many cultures. Let's go through some examples to understand how it's used in sentences. I could hear someone hawking in the next room, trying to clear their throat. Please excuse me, I need to hawk. I've been feeling a bit congested today. Moving on, to spit is another verb that refers to the act of ejecting saliva or mucus from the mouth. This is another bodily function that varies in social acceptability depending on the context and culture. In many places, spitting in public is considered rude and unsanitary. However, understanding this term is crucial as it appears in various English expressions and contexts. Here are a couple of sentences for clarity. It's considered bad manners to spit on the sidewalk. After hawking, he felt the need to spit out the mucus. While both to hawk and to spit describe natural actions, their acceptability varies greatly across different cultures and settings. In this section, we'll discuss the do's and don'ts, highlighting when and where it might be acceptable or frowned upon to perform these actions. In many Western cultures, hawking and spitting in public are seen as impolite. It's better to excuse yourself and go to a restroom if you need to do either. However, there are situations, especially in private or when among close friends or family, where these actions might be more acceptable, especially if one is ill or experiencing discomfort. We hope this video has shed some light on the meanings and cultural considerations surrounding the phrases, to hawk, and to spit. Remember, while these are common bodily functions, their social acceptability varies, and being mindful of this can help you navigate different social situations more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips in our next video. Happy learning!